Eating. Hi, babies. Okay, you guys, this little guy was here the last time and not letting anyone take the food. What should we call him? What should his name be? Because he's probably here all the time in this exact spot, taking all the food from everyone. There's so many seagulls all around me. I have food. I saw one crow. One crow dared to come here, but look at him. He's trying to get mad at everyone. Come here. Come here. Come in your mouth. Hi, baby. Hi. I love seagulls. Look at. Hi, baby. One crow. He's right there. I'm trying to give him something, but these guys won't let me give it to him. There's a crow. Look at my crow. My crow friend. Baby. They're not gonna let me give the crow. He's so cute. He's not fast enough though. Seagulls are too fast. Get it, get it. Look at all of them. And the one crow. One little baby crow right there. You guys look, I found more crow friends. Hi babies. Look at them, there's two. I have been able to throw some peanuts up there and the seagulls aren't catching it. You guys, I'm throwing these shelled peanuts to the seagulls and they're swallowing them whole. There's a bunch of seagulls surrounding me. Look at this. There's a seagull up there watching. He's above the crow, watching, waiting for me to throw it so he can try to get it before the crow does. The crows are not as fast. The seagulls are so fast. Let's see if I can get it to the crow, okay? There's a crow. Hey, baby. Oh, it fell. Oh, it fell. Dang it. I'll try. There's another crow on the railing right there. They get so mad. Babies, don't get so mad. I love this. I'm in heaven. Look at this crow right here. I'm gonna give that to him. See if I can do it. Oh, he's not fast enough. Crap.